Hello and welcome to the Powerbank Expert YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the AOHI MagCube 20000mAh power bank. Let's first start at looking at the box and see what information we can gather from it before we have a look at the items inside. So on the front of the box we can see the big logo and then the image of the power bank that it's going to be inside, and then the product name here, MagCube 20000mAh power bank. And then we have some more details about it. It's PD compatible, it can deliver up to 65 watts of power, and the fact that it has 2 charging ports. Let's have a look at the sides and see if we can find any other information. Here is the product name again, and same as here. Let's look at the back side and see what other information we can find. So here's again the company logo, and then the fact that it is built using a GaN technology. So GaN stands for gallium nitride, which is more advanced fast charging technology. This means that the product can deliver higher power, but in the same time having smaller size than an average power bank that doesn't use the gallium nitride technology. And then it has 3-stage charging technology, and then here we can see that it comes with an 18-month hassle-free warranty. And then here we have some more information, some more technical information about the charging features of the power bank. And then we can see that it has a 20,000mAh capacity, which is an equivalent to 72 watt-hour, which is under the flying limit imposed by the TSA, which is 100 watt-hour. So this is a power bank that you can easily take with you when you're flying. And then we can see some breakdown of the ports. So the output port 1 can deliver a maximum of 65 watts, and the output port 2 can deliver a maximum of 18 watts. So 65 watts is enough even to charge a laptop if need be, if it's not like a highly powerful laptop or stuff like that, but that should be fine. And then the total output, if you're using both ports to charge simultaneously, that will be 60 watts. So if you're using both ports, instead of 65 watts per output on one of them, you're gonna have 15 watts. And then instead of 18 watts for the second one, you're gonna have 15 watts. So the total will be 60 watts when using the dual charging feature. And then you have some more information about dimensions and weight, and then some more information about the company and where it's being produced. So that being said, let's have a look inside the box and see what we will find. So here we have the charging cable, and it's a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. Here's the power bank. Let's put it aside from now. And here we have a small user manual. So information about what the package contains, some technical specifications, how to properly start the power bank, and some the same information but in other different languages. On the front of the power bank you can see just the company logo here. That's basically it. On this side we can see some charging information that was also present on the box. Here there's nothing much to see. Here we have the power button and the 4 LED lights that designate how much charge the power bank has. If we press the power button, we can see that this power bank was charged up to 75% out of the box. And here on this side we can see the 2 ports, one USB Type-C port that is both an input and output port, and the USB Type-A port that is only an output port. On this other side of the power bank we can see the name of this power bank, which is the MagCube P20. So overall this seems to be quite minimalistic looking power bank. It has a simple design and it's made out of 2 different materials. So this part is metal, here's metal as well, and then these black parts and the ridges are made out of hard plastics. The ridges come with these grooves, and which make it easier to grasp, and the power bank can pick it up. So it seems that they are made with a user experience in mind. Overall, it has quite an elegant design, I would say, and modern design. And it's also quite light. I would expect it to be a little bit more heavy for this capacity, but I guess because it uses gallium nitride technology, it's a little bit lighter than I would have expected. At 20,000 milliamp power, this is a power bank that you could rely on for several days at a time, especially if you're just charging your phone. So if you're using it to charge the smartphone from time to time, you could definitely rely on this power bank maybe up to a week. But this power bank is able to charge other devices that are more power hungry, like maybe a laptop if needed, especially laptops that are compatible with USB Type-C charging. This is also a power bank that you could take on camping trips if needed. However, this is not a product that is designed to be waterproof or shock resistant or whatever. So if you're taking it out in the nature, you need to be careful when handling it. But if you're going to be using it in a regular day-to-day environment, this is a very good match, especially if you like to travel around and fly, because this power bank is well under the 100 watt-hour limit imposed by the TSA. So there you go. This was the AOHI 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. Thank you for joining in today and looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye.